Hi class, this video is going to be on dividing rational expressions. So remember that the very first step is to flip the second and multiply. You may be tempted to factor before this, however, I always recommend that the first thing you do is just flip and multiply. This saves you from prematurely doing some canceling, because canceling across the division symbol is not allowed. So this just removes that temptation. So now that I have rewritten this as flipping the second fraction and multiplying, now I'm going to go ahead and simplify and factor what I can. So I see that the numerator is actually a squared minus 10 squared. And in the denominator, I can factor out an a. So doing this gives me a over a minus 10 times a plus 10, a minus 10 over a times a squared plus 6a minus 40. At this step, I can now see that I can cancel some stuff. So I always ask myself after every step if there's something I can cancel, just because it cleans it up a bit. So the a minus 10s cancel, and I can also cancel the a's. Now the next thing I notice is that this is also factorable. In fact, it factors into a, plus 10 and a minus 4. So we're going to get a plus 10 in the numerator, and in the denominator, a plus 10 times a minus 4. Now notice that I have also kind of done the multiplication step here, because ultimately what happened is, since everything from here canceled, it was really like it turned into 1 over 1. But multiplying something by 1, it, doesn't change its value. So this whole thing is 1. So multiplying that, I never even needed to write it down anymore. It basically all canceled away. But now I can go ahead and do some more canceling. The a plus 10s go away. Remembering again that that's going to turn into a 1, which means that my final answer is 1 over a minus 4. And I'm done. I cannot simplify that any further.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.